Hi, this is Mike from BlueRoadHome.com. 'Tis the season for Christmas and holiday music, and one main component of Christmas and holiday compositions is sleigh bells, which are proving tough to find. But if you're using Logic 10, you're in luck because sleigh bells are actually included in the Logic 10 sample library. So you don't have to buy any other specialty third-party orchestral libraries. So let me show you where they are. Check it out. So we'll just create a software instrument. All you have to do is go to your ESX24 sampler, open up your stereo, ESX24 sampler, and if you go down to your factory and then you go to orchestral and you go to percussion, orchestral kit, okay? If you go to E2 or E flat 2 or D sharp 2, you have two sleigh bells. So check it out. I'll just do a little quick recording here to show you. And there you have it. You have sleigh bells. Two types, actually. And I'll show you, because if you double click, get into your piano roll here, you can actually see that there's sleigh bells 1 and 2. So that is on E2 and then D sharp 2. So on your keyboard it would be E2 and D sharp 2, or E flat 2 if you prefer. So there you go. There's some nice sleigh bells for you. Have fun with that. The reason I made this is because I actually had a difficult time trying to find sleigh bells in some of my more expensive orchestral ensembles. They just weren't included. But lo and behold, they're right in Logic. So with that, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, happy everything. Keep writing music. If this helped you out, please subscribe. Please leave a review, leave comments. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email them to me. I usually respond. And with that, this is Mike from BlueRoadHome.com, and I'll see you next time.